Hey, it's Tim with Arizona Outdoor Junkies. Today, I'm going to add a couple things onto Mike's side-by-side. It was KRX. Ignore the dirt. I was out riding and we had a bunch of rain and dust. But I'm going to add one of these to his KRX and find out just how easy it is to do. It's really super easy. So we'll get on that one here in just a moment. All right, gotta get this open. Oh, no, is it big? All right, need one little Allen wrench and one what is it, 5/16. As you can see, the bolt goes on through here, but the bar that it goes on doesn't have a hole. Well, it does in the bottom, but not the top. You do have to drill these top holes in 3/16 drill bit. Little spots going. Mine has a extra one or a washer. All right. Actually, because it didn't have to use a big hole, I shouldn't have to do a washer. Couldn't get that hole any closer to the size of the bolt if I tried. Hey, grab that Allen wrench for me. I want one flying. Thank you. You almost get away with up the nut. It will happen after a bunch of vibration. It'll fall off. All right, one down, one to go. Now this one, because it caught the edge of a already existing hole, I'm gonna put an extra washer on it. It's not cooperating. It's because it's slightly at an angle.
It is.
Because it hit that other existing hole in the bottom and stopped it. Made it slip over. And it's got a nylon locking nut, so you can't just screw it all the way down with your fingers. All right, she's done. This came from Full Access UTV. This is where we got this particular one. Seemed to work pretty good. If I remember right, it's only $30 some. So, good to go.